Hello students, in this particular video we understand Data Science Top 10 Real-World Use Cases. Each of the above use cases are briefly described. Churn prediction. Churn implies loss of customers to competition. For any company, it costs more to acquire new customers than to retain the old ones. As churn prediction aids in customer retention, it is extremely important, especially for businesses with a repeat customer base. The application of this model cuts across domains such as banking, e-retail, telecom, energy, and utilities. Sentiment analysis. Also referred to as opinion mining, it is the process of computationally identifying what customers like and dislike about a product or a brand. A domain which relentlessly makes use of sentiment analysis is the retail industry. Companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Reliance, Paytm use customer feedback from social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, etc. or their own company websites to find out what their customers are talking about and how they feel, i.e. positive, negative, or neutral. They leverage this information to reposition their products and provide better new services. Online advertisement. The incremental growth in the complexity of ads industry is due to the ease of access to the internet via a wide variety of devices around the world. This gives the advertisers an opportunity to study user preferences and online trends. The insights offered to them through these analyses translates to actionable items on issues and opportunities such as reducing ad blindness or optimizing cost per action, CPA, and click-through rates, CTR. Recommendations. Many e-retail companies like Amazon, Netflix, Spotify, Best Buy, YouTube, among many others, use recommender systems to improve a customer's shopping experience. This offers the companies a chance to gather information on customers' preferences, purchases, and other browsing patterns, which lend insights that can amplify their return on investment. Truth and veracity. In today's digital world, the quantity of fake news is on the rise. Not only does vast majorities of population fall prey to misinformation, but it affects businesses negatively. Data science is being used to ensure data veracity, or in other words, verify the truthfulness of data based on both accuracy and context. Companies such as Facebook, Twitter, Starbucks, Costco, and many others are combating fake news currently with the help of various data science techniques. News aggregation. A news aggregator gathers and clusters stories of the same topic from several leading news websites and also traces the genuine source of a news item and what is the course of the story. It has a special interactive timeline that allows the reader to flip swiftly between headlines, refining their search by country or by specific news sites. Notable examples include Google News, Reddit, Flipboard, Pulse, etc. Scalability. Scalability refers to an enterprise's ability to handle increased demands. In the corporate environment, a scalable company is one that can maintain or improve profit margins while sales volume increases. Many a times the process is slowed down by human intervention for decisions. For example, the credit operations in banks invest substantial time in assessing the credit worthiness of a client. Client management teams take long time to suggest the right product to the customer, suggest alternatives. The client help desk takes long time to provide the desired info to the client. If these processes can be automated, the business can scale up. Data science helps build systems like recommender systems, chatbots, etc. to achieve scalability. Content discovery search. Content discovery involves using predictive algorithms to help make content recommendations to users based on how they search. Search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo, and various other platforms are now using intelligent learning mechanisms to understand user preferences to be able to suggest content that's most suitable for them. Few more platforms that use content discovery algorithms are Facebook and YouTube. The content that appears in an individual's Facebook news feed and the videos that appear in the recommended for you section of YouTube user's account are both altered according to each user's past behavior and personal preferences. Intelligent learning. Intelligent learning has become a part of our day-to-day lives in various forms. For example, Google Maps uses undesignated location data from various smart devices to predict the flow of traffic in real time. It also utilizes user-based reports on incidents that might affect the traffic, like road construction and accidents, to help suggest fastest routes for travel to users. Another example would be ride-sharing apps like Uber and Ola. They optimize the ride experience by not only minimizing the ride time but also by matching users with other passengers for least amount of detours in shared rides. Other examples of intelligent learning include self-driving cars, smart email categorization, credit card fraud detection, etc. Personalized medicine. In many cases, the success of a particular treatment for a patient's condition cannot be predicted beforehand. Thus, many medical practitioners follow a non-optimal trial-and-error approach. In personalized medicine, a doctor needs to study an individual's genes, environment, and lifestyle. This would help tailor treatments for specific medical conditions as opposed to a trial-and-error approach. This would also enable pharmaceutical researchers to create combination drugs targeting a specific genomic profile, which in turn increases safety and efficiency. Companies that are active in the field of personalized medicine are Roche, Novartis, Johnson & Johnson, among others. Thank you, friends.